I've been running for so long, chasing quiet, chasing peace. Everywhere I ever landed felt like something missing in me. I built walls out of goodbyes, learned to stand here on my own. But every road I walked in silence always led me back home. I don't need a perfect life, I just need somewhere to run to you. You are my home when the world gets cold.